expressions and vocabulary. Q1, Q10. Q1. Select the correct word. The board decided to underscore the proposal after reviewing the projected financial risks. A. Reject. B. Discard. C. Abandon. D. Dismiss. Answer. A. Reject similar word. Decline. Reject a proposal is a standard formal collocation when formally deciding not to accept a plan or offer. The board decided to reject the proposal after reviewing the projected financial risks. Q2. Select the correct word. The engineering team demonstrated high underscore in managing complex automation systems. A. Competence. B. Capacity. C. Adequacy. D. Eligibility. Answer. A. Competence. Similar word. Proficiency. Demonstrate competence is widely used in professional settings to describe proven technical skill or capability. The engineering team demonstrated high competence in managing complex automation systems. Q3. Select the correct word. The new manager took immediate steps to underscore the conflict between the two departments. A. Resolve. B. Settle. C. Relieve. D. Break. Answer. A. Resolve. Similar word. Settle, resolve a conflict, is the primary collocation for bringing a dispute or disagreement to a peaceful conclusion. The new manager took immediate steps to resolve the conflict between the two departments. Q4. Select the correct word. The company made an underscore effort to reduce its carbon footprint over the last fiscal year. A. Concerted. B. Combined. C. Solid. D. Joint. Answer. A. Concerted. Similar word. Joint. Concerted effort is a strong fixed phrase describing a determined, coordinated attempt to achieve something. The company made a concerted effort to reduce its carbon footprint over the last fiscal year. Q5. Select the correct word. Strict adherence to safety guidelines is underscore for all site operations. A. Mandatory. B. Required. C. Forced. D. Bound. Answer. A. Mandatory. Similar word. Compulsory. Mandatory indicates an absolute obligation required by rule, law, or regulatory authority. Strict adherence to safety guidelines is mandatory for all site operations. Q6. Select the correct word. The research team managed to underscore significant data on energy efficiency trends. A. Compile. B. Collect. C. Gather. D. Assemble. Answer. A. Compile. Similar word. Assemble. Compile data refers specifically to gathering information from multiple sources into a structured document or dataset. The research team managed to compile significant data on energy efficiency trends. Q7. Select the correct word. The recent market volatility has generated substantial underscore among investors. A. Uncertainty. B. Doubt. C. Hesitation. D. Distrust. Answer. A. Uncertainty. Similar word. Ambiguity. Generate uncertainty or widespread uncertainty is the established financial and business term for unpredictable economic conditions. The recent market volatility has generated substantial uncertainty among investors. Q8. Select the correct word. The newly appointed supervisor plans to underscore a new quality control protocol next month. A. Institute. B. Establish. C. Construct. D. Build. Answer. A. Institute. Similar word. Implement. Institute a protocol or institute a policy means to officially introduce or set up an operational system. The newly appointed supervisor plans to institute a new quality control protocol next month. Q9. Select the correct word. The technical report was so underscore that even non-expert stakeholders could easily comprehend it. A. Lucid. B. Simple. C. Plain. D. Transparent. Answer. A. Lucid. Similar word. Clear. Lucid describes writing, speech, or explanations that are exceptionally clear and easy to understand. The technical report was so lucid that even non-expert stakeholders could easily comprehend it. Q10. Select the correct word. The project reached a major underscore when the prototype successfully passed all stress tests. A. Milestone. B. Landmark. C. Step. D. Marker. Answer. A. Milestone. Similar word. Breakthrough. Reach a milestone is a standard project management collocation denoting a significant stage or achievement in a project's life cycle. The project reached a major milestone when the prototype successfully passed all stress tests. Section 10. Structural and Applied Grammar. Q11 Q18. Q11. Choose the correct verb form. By the time the audit finishes tomorrow, the team underscored the financial statements twice. A will have verified. B. Verified. C. Has verified. D. Is verifying. Answer. A. Will have verified. Similar word. Validated. Will have verified is the future perfect tense used to describe an action that will be completed prior to a specific point in the future. By the time the audit finishes tomorrow, the team will have verified the financial statements twice. Q12. Choose the correct preposition. The team lead expressed full confidence, underscored the newly designed safety system. A. In. B. On. C. With. D. At. Answer. A. In. Similar word. Trust. The noun confidence fixedly collocates with the preposition in when referring to trust in a system, person, or plan. The team lead expressed full confidence in the newly designed safety system. Q13. Choose the correct inversion form. Not until the investigation concluded underscore the underlying cause of the failure. A. Did they discover? B. They discovered. C. Had they discovered? D. They did discover. Answer. A. Did they discover? Similar word. Uncover a sentence starting with the negative adverbial phrase not until requires subject auxiliary inversion. Did they discover? Not until the investigation concluded did they discover the underlying cause of the failure. Q14. Choose the correct subjunctive verb form. The safety inspector recommended that the faulty wiring underscore replaced immediately. A. B. B is. C was. D will be. Answer. A. B. Similar word. Substituted verbs expressing recommendation. Recommended that. Demand the subjunctive mood, which uses the base form of the verb be. The safety inspector recommended that the faulty wiring be replaced immediately. Q15. Select the correct relative pronoun. The contractor underscore expertise lies in high voltage engineering will oversee the installation. A. Whose. B. Who. C. Whom. D. Which. Answer. A. Whose. Similar word. Possess. Whose is the possessive relative pronoun used to indicate that the expertise belongs to the contractor. The contractor whose expertise lies in high voltage engineering will oversee the installation. Q16. Choose the correct conditional structure. Were the power supply to fail, the auxiliary backup generator underscore automatically. A. Would engage. B. Will engage. C. Engaged. D. Engages. Answer. A. Would engage. Similar word. Activate. Verb plus subject plus to plus verb forms an inverted second conditional which pairs with would plus base verb in the main clause. Were the power supply to fail, the auxiliary backup generator would engage automatically. Q17. Select the correct modifier. The newly installed software proved to be underscore efficient than the previous version. A. Significantly more. B. Significantly. C. More significant. D. Significant. Answer. A. Significantly more. Similar word. Substantially. The comparative structure requires more adjective than intensified appropriately by the adverb significantly. The newly installed software proved to be significantly more efficient than the previous version. Q18. Choose the correct connecting adverb. The facility was fully operational. Underscore all scheduled testing was completed on time. A. Furthermore. B. However. C. Nevertheless. D. Otherwise. Answer. A. Furthermore. Similar word. Moreover, furthermore is an additive transition adverb used to introduce additional supporting information aligned with the preceding statement. The facility was fully operational. Furthermore, all scheduled testing was completed on time. Section 11. Workplace Correspondence and Communication, Q19 Q22. Q19. Select the best sentence to introduce an attached file in a formal message. A. Attached is the completed analysis for your reference. B. Look at the file I put attached below. C. I attached the file, check it. D. Here you go with the file attached. Answer. A. Attached is the completed analysis for your reference. Similar word. Enclosed. Attached is, combined with, for your reference provides standard formal clarity for email attachments. Attached is the completed analysis for your reference. Q20. Select the most polite phrasing to decline a meeting request. A. I regret to inform you that I am unable to attend due to a prior commitment. B. I cannot come because I am too busy then. C. Cancel my spot, I have something else to do. D. I won't make it, pick another day. Answer. A. I regret to inform you that I am unable to attend due to a prior commitment. Similar word. Apologize. This construction is polite, professional, and standard for formal business declining of invitations. I regret to inform you that I am unable to attend due to a prior commitment. Q21. Choose the best sentence to ask for a formal clarification. A. Could you please clarify the specific requirements outlined in Section 3? B. Tell me what Section 3 means. C. I don't get Section 3, explain it. D. What are you trying to say in Section 3? Answer. A. Could you please clarify the specific requirements outlined in Section 3? Similar word. Explain using modal verbs like could you please maintains a polite and professional tone when asking for information. Could you please clarify the specific requirements outlined in Section 3? Q22. Choose the best phrase to conclude a professional inquiry email. A. I look forward to your response. B. Answer me soon. C. Waiting for your reply quickly. D. Talk later. Answer. A. I look forward to your response. Similar word. Anticipate. I look forward to your response is the universal professional closing statement for standard business communications. I look forward to your response. Section 12. Contextual Professional Terminology, Q23, Q25. Q23. Select the correct word. The manager commended the team for working to meet the project deadline. A. Diligently. B. Carelessly. C. Casually. D. Briefly. Answer. A. Diligently. Similar word. Industriously. Diligently means showing persistent care and effort, which fits praise given for workplace effort. The manager commended the team for working diligently to meet the project deadline. Q24. Select the correct word. The system's failure was attributed to a technical underscore during the data transfer. A. Glitch. B. Pause. C. Break. D. Gap. Answer. A. Glitch. Similar word. Malfunction. Glitch refers specifically to a minor, sudden, or temporary technical malfunction in a system or machinery. The system's failure was attributed to a technical glitch during the data transfer. Q25. Select the correct word. The contract contains a clause that allows for modification under underscore circumstances. A. Exceptional. B. Normal. C. Everyday. D. Routine. Answer. A. Exceptional. Similar word. Extraordinary. Exceptional circumstances is a standard legal and contractual term for unusual or unrepeatable conditions permitting special action. The contract contains a clause that allows for modification under exceptional circumstances.
If you love these creations, please follow and subscribe to the channel.